Hello everybody. Uh, I've been using the Shady Sled for a couple weeks now. Made multiple moves with it, and there was one addition that I was hesitant to add, and that is a trailer jack. They aren't cheap. The cows will probably find a way to tear it up because that's what they do, but I want to put one on. It's going to make it easier to hook up to the four-wheeler or truck or whatever I need it to hook up to. Something that either my son or my wife can do if if I'm away for a weekend or something. So basically, I'm about 8 feet from the trailer ball, but I'm gonna plant it on this vertical post that's already here, so I don't have to weld another vertical post to the horizontal beam. To do that, I'm going to steal one of these, I don't know, axle plates, whatever these are called. It already has the right cutout here to fit on this 2 3/8 bar and or pipe, and it's got a nice flat surface that I can weld this round to. So this is an easy adjustment jack. What that means is you pull the pin, and when this piece is mounted to the bar, you can rotate it up out of the way. So that way it doesn't drag through the grass or get hung up on anything and cause a problem. And as long as the pin stays there, it will always work. But anytime you leave this thing behind, you pin it in place and it holds the weight for you. So what I've done so far is marked where this goes and ground the paint, primer, everything off where I will be welding to the main bar. I have more primer and paint in the truck, same stuff I used. This is where these battery powered tools make a huge difference. They're fantastic when you just have little jobs like this to do that are remote. It's less time with the generator or whatnot. Speaking of, that's exactly how I'm going to be doing this. So instead of pulling the trailer back around to the barn, I'm going to use my little inverter generator out here in the field. Inverter welding machine with my inverter generator. So it's 110. It does burn 1/8 inch rods pretty well. Sometimes starting can be a bit of a sticking point, but once you get it going, it does do very well. So that's the plan for today. I'll just let you follow along now. part is to weld this little steel insert onto the flat here, and so I'll get it set up for that now. Okay, this may be a little awkward. A lot to hold, and I got a new rod here, so we'll see how it goes. Get inside here. Bit more on top of it. That's going to work great. Very eager to see what we're doing here. Troublemakers. Okay, so I've got it's all welded together now. So let's just do a quick fit check. It is all still hot. I'm gonna go gloves off. So the idea is you slide it on, you you drop the pin in, and you can rotate the top here, which that is something I hadn't considered. It still works, but so you can see it swings into the bar here. So not ideal. Let's see what happens though. I guess it's good I got one that flips around. Okay. I don't know if you could see that down at the far end, but it's definitely picking it up. It's not the most stable thing ever. Not that I would really expect it to be. But it did pick the end up out of the cradle that I made. So I just had a cradle there to hold it. But now putting it on the truck or trailer or whatever, or four-wheeler, should be much easier. Cool. Job's done. All right. I'll do some cleanup out here. Thanks for watching.